Good morning. I didn't do the breakfast, and I didn't record yesterday, didn't walk yesterday, because after we went to the doctor on Monday, the doctor will not be doing the surgery. He said my husband's heart fraction is too low, and he does not want him dying on the table. So therefore he refused to do the surgery. My hard-headed husband wants to get a second opinion. He doesn't believe the knee doctor or the heart doctor. And his heart infraction is 20 to 25 instead of 60 to 65. I'm not going to be walking long, y'all. It's going to rain. I didn't know it was going to rain this morning. But I'm out here. I'm going to try to get in as much as I can before it starts. But if it does start to rain, I have to turn around and go back. Today is chair yoga day anyway, so I'll be doing some chair yoga. I'm trying to include chair yoga and light hand weights and a small workout without killing myself. I'm not as young as I used to be, and some things are kind of difficult health-wise, but I try to do what I can because your girl has a goal. Somebody suggested that why don't I try some of those weight loss pills. I was on those things one time before, and I was so jittery and so amped that I felt like I had drinking maybe 5 pots, not cups, but pots of coffee, and it didn't go down till the next morning. And I said I will never do that again. So, no, those diet pills, I don't think so. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing, walking for health and correcting my diet, trying to make it happen. Okay, y'all, the sun come out and it's sprinkling. So let me turn around and head back. And I'll get you when okay. I'm home, tired, but I made it. And I'm glad I got out. I'm gonna go in, get my water, cool down, and jump on my projects for today. Hopefully I can get them accomplished. I've been making changes on all 3 channels, little changes here and there to stand out a bit. But this vlog is it for today. I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click on the videos listed below and you be blessed.